Hello everyone. This is the practical application of the concave mirror. This is the mirror which is polished from backside, and the reflection. This is the reflecting surface from which the reflection will take place. And we are just following the application, you can say, by the image formation of the concave mirror, in which we read that how when the object is coming down towards the mirror, the image size changes. How it changes? First of all, we take a position here. This is the condition when the object is placed at infinity, at a very large distance. Then you can see the image is very small. As we just increase the distance towards the mirror, the size also increase. It continuously increase. What is the nature? The image is inverted, real, and when we increase the size, continuously increasing in size. But this is the point when the image became too blurred, means this is the point, focus point. But when we increase further, what happens now? The image is magnified, means this is the only condition when the object is placed between F and P, फोकल पॉइंट और पॉइंट के बीच में रखा है, तो इमेज कैसी बनती है? वर्चुअल एंड मैग्नीफाइड. दिस इज द ओनली कंडीशन. ओके, starting from here, this is the sixth condition as we discussed in the diagram. Fifth condition, this is the condition, fifth condition, in which the image is placed at focus, object is placed at focus, and the image become blurred, you can say, at infinity. But if we goes fourth condition about C and F, between C and F, and some magnified, continually decreasing distance, then by which we say the image become very shorter, and this is the image formation by the concave mirror. So this is the mirror which is we have discussed. Object may be like this. This is a pin type object जहाँ पे आप लाइट को डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. और दिस इज़ द मिरर, स्पेशली द कॉनकेव मिरर विच इज़ पॉलिश्ड. पढ़ा है हमने कि बैक साइड से पॉलिश होता है और रिफ्लेक्शन होता है आगे वाली सरफेस से होता है. तो दिस इज़ द सिक्स कंडीशन वी हैव डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. दैट इज़ द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस. आप देख सकते हैं इमेज जो बनती है वो कंटिन्यूसली चेंज होती जाती है पोजिशन उसकी. जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट दूर जाता है पोजीशन चेंज होती है और फाइनली ऑब्जेक्ट की साइज़ डिक्रीज़ होता जाता है और इन्वर्टेड हो जाता है. दिस इज द इन्वर्टेड कंडीशन, एंड व्हेन इट कम्स क्लोजर इट बिकम इरेक्ट. ओके.